Hey guys, Omar here with the Samsung Galaxy Buds and my S10 Plus. So this is just a cool feature on the Samsung Galaxy Wearables app. So obviously you can only use this if you have a Samsung phone, but basically when you go in the app you can go on find my earbuds. So obviously if you've lost the earbuds and they're within, for example, your house, you wouldn't be able to use this obviously if they're outside or you're really far away, but essentially if they're within Bluetooth distance, you can turn this on. When you hit start, they start chirping. Let me put my microphone closer. So you can turn the left one off and the right one off. That's the left one going there. And then the right one, you can also obviously check the battery life from here as well, and then obviously you can hit stop. So that was just a quick look at that, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.